In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a campaign on Mailchimp. The process is relatively straightforward, but getting all the little details right can make a big difference in the success of your email campaigns. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to go to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. It's important to make sure that you have the correct login details ready to go, as this will save you time right from the start. Once you're logged in, find the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This menu is your gateway to managing your campaigns, and today we'll focus on clicking the campaign section followed by all campaigns. Next, you'll have the task of locating the specific campaign you want to edit. If your campaign is still a draft, you have the freedom to edit any aspect of it. However, if it has already been sent out, you might find your editing options are a bit restricted. In this tutorial, I assume you're working with a draft for maximum flexibility in editing. Once you've found your campaign in the list, go ahead and click on the campaign name. Alternatively, you might see an edit button next to it. Clicking this will also do the trick. You'll then enter the editing interface where you'll have several sections available to you for modification. The first section you'll come across is recipients. If your campaign is a draft, you can change your audience selection here. This is great if you've updated your mailing list or want to target a different group. Next up is the from name and email section. Here you can update the sender details, ensuring your recipients recognize who the email is coming from. You can also edit the subject line. This is crucial as it's one of the first things your audience will see when they receive your email. Make sure to also update the preview text, as this can be an effective tool in enticing your readers to open your email. To make changes to the main body of your email, click Edit Design. You can swap out text, change images, and adjust the layout to better fit the message and style you're aiming for. After you've made all your desired edits, don't forget to click Save and Exit. This ensures all your hard work isn't lost. It's always a good idea to utilize the preview and test feature afterward to see exactly how your email will appear to recipients. This step helps you catch any potential errors you might have missed in the editing process. Once you're satisfied with the look and feel of your email, it's time to publish or schedule it to go out at your preferred timing. With these steps, your Mailchimp campaign will be ready to impress and engage your audience effectively.